Healthy Forever presents Best Foods to Eat on a Ketogenic Diet. Below is a list of some of the best foods that you can eat on a keto diet. Knowing that you have a variety of things that you can eat helps you stay on the diet. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and smash the like button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Seafood. There are many types of seafood that are perfect for a keto diet. Shellfish is one of those foods, but some do contain carbs, so make sure to check the labels. Other seafood consists of, but not limited to, fish, mussels, oysters, clams, octopuses, squid, mackerel, sardines, salmon, white shrimp, and crabs. Eggs. This food is one of the main foods on the keto diet. They are filling as well as low in carbs. There are a lot of studies on eggs due to the high cholesterol in them. In most people, eggs seem to modify the cholesterol particles so that it reduces the chance of heart disease. Low-carb vegetables. All low-carb vegetables are great for the keto diet. Low-carb vegetables include vegetables like cauliflower, kale, broccoli, avocado, lettuce, eggplant, green beans, cucumbers, cabbage, olives, peppers, tomatoes, zucchini, spinach, and asparagus. Pasta and rice are a big no on the keto diet, but certain vegetables can be used to replace those. Cauliflower is a great substitute for rice and mashed potatoes. You can find these in the frozen food section of the store. Zoodles can be made from zucchini, a replacement for pasta noodles. Spaghetti squash is a perfect replacement for spaghetti noodles. Tea and coffee unsweetened. Tea and coffee have zero carbs in them and are healthy drinks. They do contain a lot of caffeine, so if you have high blood pressure, be careful how much you drink, or use decaffeinated versions. For those who can have caffeine, it's great for keto because it helps improve your alertness, mood, and physical performance. These two drinks have been proven to lower the risk of diabetes also. You can add heavy cream to either, but keep away from light coffee, lattes, and cappuccinos. Cheese. There are many kinds of cheese that are low carb. Just remember when consuming cheese that most have saturated fat in them. Low carb cheese includes cheddar, blue cheese, cottage cheese, feta, Munster, mozzarella, pepper jack, parmesan, romano, provolone, Swiss, string cheese, and many more. Cottage cheese and plain yogurt. These are high-protein, healthy foods. Both of these do have carbs, so consume them in moderation. These foods have proven to reduce your appetite, and they make for a healthy snack. Berries. Berries are the one fruit that is allowed on the keto diet. Most fruits are just too high in carbs, but berries are low carb and high fiber. They are also filled with antioxidants. Avocados. This is a great keto food, high in many different vitamins. They help improve cholesterol, and half an avocado only has 2 net carbs. Poultry and meat. Fresh poultry and meat contain 0 carbs and are high in protein. These are some of the main keto foods. Grass-fed meat is the best. Seeds and nuts. High fat and low carb treat. A high fiber treat that makes you feel full. Moderation with some nuts is needed. Check the carbs before consuming. Dark chocolate. Cocoa and dark chocolate are wonderful antioxidants. Dark chocolate has been shown to reduce blood pressure and keep arteries healthy. Just make sure the dark chocolate has a minimum of 70% cocoa solids in them. More is better. A tasty treat to have in moderation. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.